Thousands of people are urging McDonald's to ban the caging of their hens, like they have done in the US, Canada, Latin America, the European Union, South Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. Hens are subjected to horrific cruelty due to cages. 4 to 8 hens are crammed in a cage, which is the size of 2 A4 sheets of paper.
McDonald's go cage free.
They often trample each other in an attempt to find space.
McDonald's no more cages.
The wire floor of the cage causes their feet to become sore, deformed, and bloody.
McDonald's no more cages.
The dirty conditions and extreme confinement cause hens intense stress, resulting in skin diseases, severe feather loss, and drooping combs.
McDonald's go cage free.
Sick hens are neglected and left to die a slow, agonizing death. The decomposing carcasses are left near live hens who are still laying eggs, a trauma for the hens and a health hazard for humans.
McDonald's go cage free.
McDonald's, please ban cages as you have done in several other countries. Please don't have substandards for the Indian continent. Commit to No More Cages. Sign and share our petition now. Click here.